Over 40 years ago, my grandparents planted 2 apple trees. Every year they produce an abundance of apples. No pruning or pesticides are used on these trees, so the skins have blemishes, which I remove and compost. I slice my apples and place them in a bowl of lemon water, and this keeps them from turning brown. I will use around 12 larger apples for this recipe. In a separate bowl, I add my brown sugar, cinnamon, cloves, salt, nutmeg, and just a splash of vanilla. The amounts will be in the description. Stir this really well, and in your Crockpot liner, you're going to want to add your apples and then dump this mixture on top of it and stir it in really, really well. Turn your Crockpot on low, and I like to do this overnight and let it cook for about 10 to 12 hours. Your house will smell amazing. An immersion blender works great to puree this and make it really smooth. You can let it cool and store this in the refrigerator, or you can take it one step further and water bath can your apple butter. While it is still hot, fill pints or half pints to a 1/4 inch headspace, and then water bath can this for 10 minutes, adjusting your time for your altitude. This method allows us to have delicious apple butter year round and enjoy the fruits from my grandparents' trees.